Hi, good morning dear students. In the previous video, I gave the introduction about your prescribed book. Today, in this video, I am going to detail the chapter 1, The Lost Child, from the book Moments. The writer of this chapter is Mulk Raj Anand. We must know a little about Mulk Raj Anand. Mulk Raj Anand, an Indian writer in English, is well known for his depiction of the Indian society. He is admired for his novels and short stories. He was also a recipient of the civilian honor of the Padma Bhushan. See, Mulk Raj Anand was a recipient. Recipient, a receiver of the civilian honor. Here, civilian means a person who is not in the army, navy, air force, etc. So, he has received the Padma Bhushan. The legend, The Lost Child, vividly depicts an Indian rural village with all its charm, beauty, simplicity, and gaiety, especially during the festive season. See, this chapter has clearly, vividly means clearly, depicts means shows the complete scene of a village with its beauty, with its simplicity, its gaiety. Gaiety means a feeling of happiness and fun. The main theme in this lesson is a child's agony and desperation. Agony means great pain or suffering. Desperation means hopelessness, despair, pain. When the child is suddenly lost in a crowd and realizes that he doesn't have the warm protection of his parents. So, dear children, the chapter begins with the line, "It was the festival of spring." It means it was the most beautiful season of the year, spring, when the plants and trees would be in full bloom. You can see during spring season there is flowering, blooming of all plants and trees. Second line given, from the wintry shades of narrow lanes. In winter season, the narrow lanes means the narrow roads were full of shades. So, people from the narrow lanes, narrow roads, alleys, that is passages between or behind the buildings, pathways, walks, etc., people emerged, came out, happily dressed in colorful dresses. Many people seem to be riding on horses, some came by walking, some being carried in bamboo, bullock carts, etc. and all. Here, a little boy is taken by his parents to enjoy the fair. Here, fair, a type of entertainment in a field or park. It was a Vasant Mela in a rural village. The child is filled with joy on seeing the fun and the bounties of nature. Bounties of nature means all the gifts which we have been gifted by nature, like plants, flower, the greeneries in the field, etc. The child wants to stop at every shop and every stall to enjoy the colorful scenes, but as the parents find the child behind, lagging behind means was left behind or backed. They keep shouting to keep moving lest he is lost in the crowd. On the way to the fair, the child was attracted, that is fascinated, to the stall of toys. Though his father got angry, but his mother pacified him and diverted his attention to the beauty of the mustard flower in full bloom. He then follows a swarm of dragonflies, runs after them, and tries to catch them. He is attracted by the little insects and worms hiding along the footpath that were teeming out. The teeming out means they were in groups, many, from their hiding places to enjoy the sunshine. The child relishes the feel of the soft petals as they fall on him and then forgets the flowers as he runs behind the cooing of dove. Here cooing meaning the soft low sound of the bird. The bird here is dove. It is a type of white bird. Okay. The child moved forward but at once again lagged behind because his eyes were caught by one thing or the other every now and then. It means whenever he was passing through all these stalls, shops, whatever the things were displayed in the fair, his eyes caught at all those things and the child was wanting to buy all those things, but he knew that his father will become angry and will say no. As they moved forward, the child wanted the various things on the stalls. His mouth watered seeing sweets decorated with gold and silver leaves. Some of the sweets are already mentioned here like gulab jamun, rasagulla, barfi and jalebi. These all things had watered his mouth. He wanted his favorite barfi, but knowing that his parents would refuse on the ground that he was greedy, the poor child walked ahead. Then he saw beautiful garland, a circle of flowers of gulmohar, but didn't ask for it. Then he saw balloons in different colors, but he knew very well that his parents would deny due to the fact that he was too old to play with balloons. So here also the child walked away. Then he saw a snake charmer. The snake charmer, who is a charmer here? A charmer who entertains people by making the snake move by playing on music. So the child saw the snake charmer and a roundabout swing, a merry-go-round. If you have seen a fair, you can see there is a big roundabout, a merry-go-round that go in circle. The child was wanting to ride in a merry-go-round. As he stopped to ask his parents for permission to enjoy the swing, he realizes that his parents are nowhere near. The child is speechless and helpless. He starts looking for his parents. That's all for today. It will be continued in the next class. Thank you, children. Bye.